Hello, this is a ER-018938 UniVise Pallet Vise system. Check it, it was main body. And this part compatible Erowa system ER-018938, and with the fixed hold together, it was compatible Erowa ER-015670. This is all the parts, and the material was made of high quality stainless steel, can be used on wire EDM machine underwater. The accuracy, the product accuracy was high, and the precision up to 2 micron. How to use it? And these parts can be clipping long parts here from diameter 5 to 85, and also it can be clipping rectangular parts, rectangular parts 140 mm and width 100 mm. How to use it? This prolonged plate was clipping on the bottom, and this support plate fix here, and clipping the big workpiece. Yeah, and these two parts put to here, and clipping this small workpiece. Yeah, we have instruction to show you how to operate it. The product price is very good, and the warranty is 1 year. Welcome to inquire our website www.cncedmtool.com. Thank you.